Okay, so you should have written a paragraph describing this artwork. So I'm going to go ahead and describe it, and hopefully that your paragraph lined up with what I'm about to discuss. So basically, this is a Japanese print, and the image that is shown is looks like a tree branch is in the foreground, and the tree branch is kind of like a dark gray, and it's darker on the top, and it blends to a lighter gray on the bottom of each branch. And then coming off of the branches is our little flowers, white flowers with a yellow center. Um, on the ground, you can see the ground in the distance. It is a kind of like a bluish green, and it takes up the lower half of the image. And right along the horizon, in the middle of the image, are people. There's a fence, and then I see people in like dark blue, and people in gray, and people in light blue, and then the sky in the background is a red color, and it fades from like an intense red at the top, and it slowly gets lighter and pinker until it turns to white at the bottom. All right, so I think I've described, and I see well, like the tree that's in the foreground takes up a lot of the space, but I can see one, two, three, four, five, maybe six other trees. And on the far right side, in the excuse me, in the middle of the picture is a building of some sort with a yellow roof. In the upper left-hand corner, there is a wooden sign. In the lower left, there is a red rectangle with some Japanese writing in it. Same with the upper right-hand corner. There's a red rectangle with some Japanese writing in it, and then there's a green square with Japanese writing in it. All right, so that's description. Hopefully, when you described it, you got something kind of similar to what I did. All right, the next step is analysis. And what I want you to do when you analyze this artwork is to focus on the lines in this image. I've been teaching you guys about line. I want you to analyze the lines in this image. So describe the kinds of lines that you see. Are they vertical, horizontal, diagonal, curved, zigzag? What directions do they go? And what makes the lines? Describe any kind of variation that you see. Are they thick, thin? Are they rough or smooth? Are they long or short? And then what kinds of lines dominate this image? What I want you to do is write a paragraph analyzing the artwork, and the paragraph should be about 50 words long. Go ahead and do that, and I'll come back and help you analyze.